That's terrifying.
He's modified it, so all he's got to do is move the bolt that far to re-engage it.
Dude, Wolverine makes the bolt. Oh my god, those are so
Game
nice.
on in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go.
Here, I'll grab this angle. Hey.
You want to push it? I hit
Yeah.
the guy on this side.
Alright, I got your long if you go. Hey Zach, watch our back. You getting hit? Ryan, how you doing over there?
There's one on me. Watch this coming that way.
Where from?
I got one in my doorway.
Okay.
Where you at, bro?
Hey Tristan, what's up? You got him to your front.
Yo, green house right.
That middle section up here.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to go to. I wanted to push from the bumper car house up to it. Ah. There you go, that's your hand right there.
Be right back.
Alrighty. Matt, I'm on your 6. Is there guys down there?
Yeah, he's right to the right at the edge.
Alrighty. That's nice. Did you get him, Matt? Keep going.
Wait, it's passing the bumper car. These guys go right here.
There's a dude way back on the tree if you want to go for it. A little far, it's like you can't even see it right now. He's so far back. It's borderline their spawn.
They all just like walk away.
Walk out! I didn't even... I'm gonna check our left really quick.
That's so high.
I already went down a hill today. You guys see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Go!
It's slippery! There's a guy in the window! We got this left side locked. Tristan, run in here. Sprint in here. No, there's 4 of our guys over there.
Oh, are there?
Yeah, we're clear.
What do we got over here?
There's a guy in the window on the back side. Yeah, he's right there. Where?
Far out.
There.
He's gone. Hit. It looks pretty clear so far. I don't know though. Oh, sorry, Matt.
I'm up.
All right. I shot him 6 times. I don't know if he called it. How you guys going? Hey, buddy.
What's up?
Not much. Just chilling out.
You know.
Hey, Matt, can you watch this? I'm gonna go through the bushes. Yeah, I'm coming with you. Ah! Never mind. Bad idea. He's down in this grass lane all the way.
Game on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
I got a guy right here. He wants to know if he can throw grenades over the cross. Right here. No. You gotta do it on the side.
Bang! Good kill, man. Which windows are they in? Because I got shot when I ran through the garage.
Too much, alright? Good, right? Yeah, I'm good. I still got that left side covered in the garage. Mike can move you along. Alright. Keep an eye on those windows on the second floor.
He's on the right of that one. Oh, sorry. Good walk out, dude.
I guess.
You didn't hit me. You're out.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah. Not our beds, push up to the house! Hey, good kill, man. Good job. Keep going, Tristan, keep going.
You see him?
Yeah.
I got the inside. I got the door,
There's one right there, Ryan, right under the pillar.
Go. I'm coming.
No flutter. Game over. Didn't call anything. I know, I shot him 6 times, he ducked, and then I shot him 6 more times in the head and he finally called it.
window.
It's crowded over here. Actually, I want to see something. I know. I'm not a first timer.